Okay, so my dad's making pork, which he bought, and he's also cooking vegetables in there, such as peas, corn, carrots, and what's the other green thing?
String beans.
String beans. And
String
I'm gonna
beans.
put it over the white rice.
So the peas, they weren't microwaved for 4 minutes. He's just cooking it straight on the oven for how long?
I don't know. For 10 minutes, 10, 15 minutes until they're cooked.
Is the rice already cooked or no?
Yeah, that's jasmine rice. All I have to do is just mix this in with the rice after.
How long are you gonna cook the rice for?
10 minutes.
How are you gonna cook it? You're gonna boil water?
Heat it up after.
You're gonna boil water or what?
No, it's already cooked. All I have to do is just mix the ingredients, and it'll take about 10 minutes to get everything together.
Yeah, but how do you cook jasmine rice? Why are you messing with me?
Well, water. Just put water in it. That's it.
I can't deal with this. How long are you cooking the pork for? Or the vegetables?
10 minutes. 10, 15 minutes.
All right, so you're mixing that in with chicken broth. That's
Yes.
cool.
And then I'm going to
You
put it
put
over
in the
the rice.
rice. Very cool.
And
Very
you're going
cool.
to have